Hi, good morning. This is an AMT model. This is the transmission of an AMT model. It is a combination of a manual transmission, the features of a manual transmission and an automatic transmission. You can see the blue portion which is above the manual transmission is an AMT module which automatically checks the throttle position, the speed of a vehicle and the shifter position to shift the automatically gears for the vehicle. The benefit of this is it's give a mileage of a manual transmission and a comfort of an automatic transmission. Now we'll come over to the vehicle. If we come out the vehicle has a very elegant design. The sculpted outer is very beautiful. You can see the lines of it, the chrome finish which has been given in this. It's very beautiful. It's very convenient and very stylish to attract the youth. If you can see from the sideways, the rear view mirror, the indicator lights, that these tires are extremely good. If you go at the back, if you come at the back, it's very spacious. The dicky space is 235 liters, specially being designed. The platform which the Maruti has chosen for this particular vehicle is not an A-Star or any other. It's a new platform which they have taken it. If we go into the interiors, we come to the interiors, we can see interiors. It's beautifully stylish design. The wave front, the dashboard is a sweeping wave front. If we see like the pockets which have been given, especially 15 pockets which have been given to match with the customers, to match the everyday requirement of the customers. If we go inside, there's a provision of a manual transmission, also an automatic transmission. The major revolution, it's going to create a revolution in the Indian history to have an automatic transmission accessible for the middle class customers also. Like you can have a manual transmission on the left side where you can change the gears from plus to minus, and if you move it on the right side, you can change the gears, and it's very convenient for the female customer. There's no clutch in this vehicle. If we go in the rear side, it's very convenient to sit. Like if I try to sit it, it's very convenient. I can say the leg space is very convenient. It's not on the platform of an A-Star, and it's very convenient. 3 persons can easily sit in this vehicle. It's very convenient. The gear knobs and all those are very convenient. So after this, the model which is currently being shown to you is a VXI model, which contains, this is the top variation of the variant of that automatic AMT. After all, you are actually seeing another innovative and a creative product from Maruti Suzuki in India. Thank you very much.